In this video, I am going to explain Newton's law of motion, that part 3. In this part 3, I am going to explain Newton's second law of motion. Okay, if you not seen Newton's law of motion part 1 and part 2, I send in the description. Please see that. Okay, let us move to our topic, that is Newton's second law. Second law, that is F is equals to change in momentum by time. We already know that what is the meaning of momentum. We already discussed in the part 2 video. So please see that. Okay. Then F is equals to change in momentum means what? That means momentum final minus momentum initial. Momentum final minus momentum initial by t, that is momentum means f p is equals to mv, no, then mv minus mu by t, that is equals to, here in this one, which is common, that is m, no, so m bracket v minus u by t, then v is equals to m into v minus u by t means what? Acceleration, no, then f is equals to ma. Okay, then f is equals to ma. This force is vector compound. Its unit is newtons. Okay, then let us do one problem of this concept. Okay, let us do it. In this they have given one question. A constant force of 12 newtons acts on a body for 4 seconds. Then the change in linear momentum of the body is. Here they have asking the change in linear momentum. Okay, so we have to take this formula. What is that? F is equals to change in momentum by t. Then force they have given in this problem, force of 12 newtons. Then 12 is equals to change in momentum, we don't know, write as it is, change in momentum by t they have given, that is 4 seconds, write 4 seconds. And we have to know that acceleration, we don't know that, write as it is, momentum is equals to 12 into 4. Why 4 is multiplying with 12? You have a doubt. Why? Because here dividing, when it will go to left hand side, it will multiply with 12. So 12 into 4, change in momentum. Then 12 into 4 means what? That is 12 ones are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4 are 48. Then then the change in momentum is 48 kilometer per hour. Sorry, kilometer per second. Okay friends, by this method we can do. Let us do one more problem. Okay, let us do second problem. This a body of mass 2 kilogram is moving with a velocity of 3 meter per second for 4 seconds. Then force acting on the body is, we know that F is equals to ma. Then if they have given, no, they have not given, right, same, and mass they have given that 2 into a, not given. So we have to do like this. We want a now first. We want a. When we got a, we can find out force. So first we have to find the a. Then a is equals to v minus u by t no. U minus v by t no. Then a is equals to v, they have given that 3 meter per second. 3 minus u is rest. So in this they have not given the initial velocity. So we have to take 0. Then t they have given. Then 4 seconds they have given. Right, 4. And 3 minus 0, 3. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 meter per second square acceleration. Then a is equals to 2 into 3 by 4, that is equals to 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 twos 4. Then is equals to 3 by 2, 3 by 2 fours. Then we can write it also as 1.4 newtons. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. In next video I am going to explain some more topics. Please see that also. Bye.